Hi everyone. So in the last tutorial of stack series, we have implemented first fundamental operation of stack, that is push operation. And after performing push operation on heterogeneous type of data into stack, so the elements of stack will looks like this. You can see the first element which we have inserted is string type, and it got inserted first. And then second we have inserted integer, so it got inserted in second. So last implemented which we have inserted is character, and character is top element of the stack. Okay, now as a part of this tutorial we're gonna perform peek operation. Peek means we have to return the top element of stack. Okay, so let's get started now. So stack dot peek. Okay, so you can see there is no any kind of method called peek, so let's create it. So which will be returning object. As we are adding heterogeneous type of data into stack, so we will be returning object here. Now we have to return top element from stack, which is top -1. All right, now let's return back to main method. Now you can see this peek operation is there in stack class. Now let's print this. So, and let's pass one meaningful message: top element of stack okay. So now let's run this. It should return this one, because this one is a top element. Okay, let's rerun this. Top element of stack is V. Now let's remove this this element which we have added into stack, and we will be having only 4 element. So let's comment this out for now, and let's verify which is the first or top element of stack. Now this, in this case, it should return true. Okay, let's rerun this. Now you can see the top element of stack is true. Okay, because we have removed this one. Now the last inserted element into stack is true. That's why this operation, this method is returning true back to caller method. All right, so we have done with this program, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.